Cartoon Doo-Doo TV.
Hello kids, let's learn some basic geography. This is a field. This is a forest. This is a desert.
Wee.
That is the sky. This is land. This is a river. This is a sea. This is a waterfall. This is an island. This is a valley. Let's do a quick review. Field, forest, desert, sky, land, river, sea, waterfall, island, valley. Thank you for watching Doo-Doo TV. Please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to press the bell icon.
Cartoon Doo-Doo TV.